Alright, what is up everyone? Hope you guys are doing well today. So, let's do another trade recap. I am currently down 3% sa funded account ko. So, as you can see, I'm down $1,500 sa funded account. And I lost 1% kagabi. I will explain what happened. So, this was the setup. I took a long dito and I got stopped out right here. So, let me explain kung ano yung thought process ko dito. Paano ko hinanap or nakuha yung setup na to. So, let's go over here sa FX replay. So, i-replay lang natin yung price action around 7 o'clock. So, right here. New York Open Kill Zone. So, punta tayo sa daily chart. So, as you can see dito sa daily chart, my bias was bullish. The reason why I was bullish is because nagkakaroon tayo ng sensitivity dito sa bullish order block eh. So, I was thinking probably Tuesday na yung mag-create ng low of the week. So, nag-bounce tayo dito sa daily order block na to and probably recover na tayo papuntang all-time highs. So, like, that was my thought process. Feeling ko, pupuntahan na yung all-time highs dito. Okay. So, went to the lower time frame, 4-hour chart. And dito sa 4-hour chart, meron ditong 4-hour FEG, which is yung drawn liquidity ko nung Wednesday, di ba? So, I was thinking probably we can still fill this gap. Like right here, take out this high and then fill this gap again. Dito kasi, nagkaroon na tayo ng bullish right here. Pero kasi ditong bullish order block so nauntog siya dito. I was thinking na since na-take out na ni London yung Asia low, like London will set the low of the day kagabi nung Thursday. So na-take out niya kasi yung Asia low during London session. Now, after taking out Asia low, I was thinking na take out na yung previous day's high. Kasi after taking out Asia low, nagkaroon ng change in state of delivery dito sa 30 minutes. As you can see, we have a change in state of delivery right here. Excuse me. So we have a change in state of delivery after taking out Asia low. And so I was thinking, possible na puntahan yung previous day's high. So pumunta siya sa taas. Then boom. Okay, replay muna natin to. So I was actually interested to go long right here. Dito sa 30 minutes change in state. Stop loss was here just below the mean threshold or the inversion. And di ko na malaya na this was Asia high pala. So yun yung mali na ginawa ko dito. Is di ko na notice talaga Asia high pala to. Kasi dito sa sa chart ko, yung Asia session ko ng indicator is 8 o'clock. It starts from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. New York time. So, ang Asia kasi, ang Asia range is 7 p.m. It should start at 7. So, right here, ayan o. Dito, mali to kasi 8 to nag-start. Dapat 7. So, dito. Dapat ito yung Asia high. Hindi ito. So, yun yung mali. Nagre-relay kasi ako sa indicator ko gabi na hindi ko na notice Asia high pala to. Itong swing high na to. So, since na-take out tong high, like, wala lang. Like, di ko lang yan pinansin kasi hindi naman siya session high. Para sa akin kagabi, hindi siya session high. So, nag-buy limit ako dito sa 30 minutes CST and then yun, I got stop out. And then, after that, at 9:30 open, we see this massive pullback to the upside. So, boom, pullback. So, ginawa ko, pumunta ako sa lower time frame kasi na-take out na yung London low. again, my bias was still bullish. Take out yung London low, and then we have this 3 minutes change in state of delivery. So again, nag-enter ako dito. And then my stop loss was right around here. The same target pa din. I was targeting the previous day's high. So I already lost 0.5%, diba? And then, boom, I get filled right there, and then I get stop out again. So, clearly, yung bias ko was wrong. And I think, looking back at this price action, dapat yung ginawa ko is bearish bias talaga. Kasi what happened is, we have this 4-hour dealing range still respecting. Kasi, clearly, this is the bearish dealing range. So, from this high to this low, we have a gap right here. And then, what happened during Wednesday ata yun. Wednesday, we created low resistance liquidity run liquidities dito. As you can see, nung Wednesday is nag-create tayo ng relative equal lows dito. So, right here. And then, delete ko to. And also, like, we have a phantom trend line right here. As you can see. So, during Wednesday talaga, nagsaset up na si Wednesday tsaka Tuesday ng low resistance liquidity run. For us to run sa Thursday, bumaba. So, yung bias dito, the correct bias here was bearish. So, since we are in a premium, so, nag-pull back yung price dito sa premium side ng 4-hour FEG. So, this is a premium PDRA inside of a bearish dealing range. So, this will act like resistance. Also, we have a bearish order block dito. 4-hour bearish order block. So, this is a 4-hour order block. So, dapat bearish talaga, and the delivery is in the external range liquidity, which is liquidity nung sa liquidity nung November 4, Tuesday. So, this is previous day's low. Sell side liquidity. And also, this is external range liquidity ng 4-hour bearish dealing range. So, the delivery should be like this. Okay? Kasi, na-rebalance na yung internal, which is the gap, the imbalance. Reprice tayo sa 4-hour OB. Clearly, the body is respecting the opening price. The body is not able to close above the opening price. So, delivery should be lower, right? And the entry, the entry model that dapat in-execute ko is dun sa 5 minutes. May nangyari sa 5 minutes actually. Nagkaroon ng entry model sa 5 minutes. So if we go forward this to the New York time. So move natin to sa New York time. Alright, right here. So what happened is we still have Asia high open here, 7 o'clock. Yes, Asia low was taken out during London. Asia high is still open, di pa natin take out. So what happened is during New York open kill zone, bang, take out natin yung Asia high. And then in the 5-minute chart, actually we have a change in state of delivery. Ito, I missed this trade kasi bakit? I was too focused sa bullish bias ko. So we actually have a change in state right here. You can see, bang. So we created this series of up close candlesticks with a fair value gap. So this is a high probability order block for me. So this should have been the setup. So short dito, and then kahit nga lang New York low yung target or imbalance here. London low, that would have been a 5 to 5, 1 to 5.5 RR. So risking 0.5, As you can see, that was the setup. And nung 9:30, bumalik siya dito sa fair value gap. So, I think that's another setup. You can see. Fair value gap and then boom, dump. And also, like, I want to add something dito sa trade recap na to. Kasi I learned this from ICT, no? When you have a wick in the daily chart, like, you want to grade it. So, for example, this wick nung Wednesday, daily candle. Pag merong wick sa daily candle, you want to grade it so that you know the high, the upper quadrant, consequent encroachment, lower quadrant, and the low of this daily wick. Now, these levels, sabi ni ICT, mag-help to sa'yo to know what are the high probability setup sa lower time frame. For example, daily chart, itong daily wick na to, i-grade ko to using these levels. 1, 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75. Ito yung mga quadrant levels. Now, if you go to 5-minute chart, something interesting is nangyayari. So, as you can see, dito sa low ng wick, okay, sa pinaka-low ng daily wick, actually, dun sa chart ko is iba eh, dito. Where's that? Fibonacci retracement. Okay. Punta tayo sa daily chart. And then, let's place another. Yan. So, these are the quadrant levels. And as you can see, something interesting is nangyayari dito. So, as you can see, we touched the lower quadrant, okay, which is the 0.75 level. So, we touch that, then we reject. After that, you have the low of the daily wick right here. This line, I think makikita nyo. Wait, ano ko yung... Yan. So, mas clear. So, touch niya dito sa lower quadrant and then nag-reject. Then we have another one which is the low of the daily wick. Na-form yung order block, na-form yung order block very close to that. And also, as you can see, this is like very precise. Look at this. Nag-touch siya dito precisely sa low of the daily wick. Daily wick low. Diba? That's so precise. Look at that. It just touched that level to the tick. So it just happens that in the 1-minute chart, there's a fair value gap that was formed in that level. So 1-minute chart, you can see, we have a fair value gap in that daily wick low. So very interesting, right? Anyways, that was the setup na na-miss ko. I keep on missing trade setups, like good setup this week, bro. Like nung Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, sunod-sunod na araw, I'm missing on good trades. But you know, kailangan di ako maging sobrang attached na, sobrang frustrated na namimiss mo yung trade kasi it will affect your performance talaga. So, yung mindset ko is, okay lang ma-miss yung trade. Basta, I'm learning something from it. Like, through this trade recap, diba? So, I'm learning something kung ano yung mga mistakes, ano yung mga hindi ko nakita sa price action, and that will help me in the future to navigate the market better. Diba? So, yan yung setup na na-miss ko kagabi. And another thing is, yun, pumunta na siya sa sell-side liquidity ng Wednesday, which is previous day's low. So we have a lot of liquidity right here, low resistance liquidity. Like, tinake out niya in one session, bro. Look at that, bro. That's the most I mean one of the best price run na nakita ko kay US30 is this very very low resistance liquidity run. Di ko lang siya able to recognize kasi if na-recognize ko to then dapat nakapag-capitalize ako sa move nito. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm down 1% for the day. So I'm currently down 3% overall sa funded account ko. And I think ang gagawin ko, my plan right now is to stop trading this funded account muna, and then I will focus on my 100k challenge, the phase 2 account. I think I will trade muna that account. Napag-isip-isipan ko na din eh. So, I will trade the 100k account. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, nakikita nyo yung mga failed challenge ko, di ba? So, this is the phase 2 challenge. Actually, hindi ko pa to na-trade. I mean, na-trade ko na siya, pero hindi ko siya na-trade this month pa. So, I'm going to trade this kasi baka ano din to eh. Baka mag-expired. Let me see the expiration if meron. Wala siyang expiration. Akala ko may expiration siya. Okay, wala pala. So yeah, I'm gonna start trading this 100k phase 2 account. Gonna try to pass this. And let's see, I will update you guys. So yeah, that's the trade recap, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed watching this trade recap video. If you learned something from this video, let me know in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, I will see you on the next one, bro. Peace out.